Forward Collision Avoidance Assist helps avoid collision with an object in front or side while driving. If FCA detects a risk of collision with a vehicle, powered two-wheeler, cyclist, or pedestrian in front, FCA assists with emergency braking. FCA also detects potential collision with an oncoming vehicle while turning left. In case of an oncoming vehicle in the driving lane, emergency braking is activated. Risk of collision with oncoming vehicles from the left or right side can be detected. When changing lanes, if FCA detects a risk of collision with a vehicle in the next lane, FCA automatically assists with emergency steering. A pedestrian, who are partially in the vehicle's path, FCA automatically assists with emergency steering. If malfunction or disable is occurred, the warning displays in the cluster. FCA can be set under Settings, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Safety. Please refer to the owner's manual for details.
Kia, movement that inspires.